In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your iCloud account Apple ID. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together step by step like you're doing it right now. First, open up the Safari browser on your iPhone. Just tap on that blue compass icon on the home screen. Once Safari is open, tap into the address bar at the top and type in privacy.apple.com. Then go ahead and load that page. When the page opens, you'll see the option to sign in. Tap on that and enter your Apple ID email and password to log in. If Apple asks for any verification code, just check your email or trusted device and type that code in so you can continue. After you're signed in, you'll be on the privacy management page for your account. Scroll down slowly until you see the section called Delete Your Account. Under that, tap on the button that says Request to delete your account to start the process. Apple will now show you some information about what happens when you delete your Apple ID, like losing access to iCloud data, purchases, and services. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see a drop down where you need to choose the reason for deleting your account. Pick the option that fits your situation, then tap on Continue. On the next page, Apple will explain more details about the deletion process. Scroll down and tap Continue again. After that, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions, so go ahead and check the box and tap. Continue one more time. Now Apple will ask how you want to receive updates about your account deletion, like through an email address or phone number. Choose the option you prefer and tap Continue. Then just follow the remaining prompts on the screen until you reach the final step. Once everything is confirmed, Apple will begin the process of permanently deleting your iCloud account and Apple ID.